Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Dodge Charger RT with a 440 with 370 horsepower and an automatic transmission. And it bid to $40,000 but did not sell at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, 2025 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from Mecum's website. It shows odometer reads 76,237 miles. And by the way, if you're interested in more information on this one, you can just go over to the Mecum website, look for lot number S82.1, and they'll give you more pictures and more information about the car. But as far as the specs went, it showed it as being Hemi orange with black interior, had the 440, 370 horsepower Magnum V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, 727 heavy-duty 3-speed automatic transmission, 8 3/4 rear differential with 323 gears, factory correct spoilers, decals, and emblems, factory correct black interior, bucket seats with center console, factory air conditioning with upgraded compressor, Rally instrument cluster with 150 mile an hour speedometer, power steering, heavy-duty suspension with rear air shocks, heavy-duty power brakes, Rally wheels with BF Goodrich white letter tires, front and rear spoilers. And like I said, it bid to $40,000 but did not sell at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction. And this one was on Saturday, November 1st, 2025. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.